All right, today I'm going to show you how to create a many-to-many relationship between two objects. So I'm going to use the schema builder for this. And I'm going to create a class object and a student object. Okay, so a class can have multiple students, and students can be a part of multiple different classes. So in order to create a many-to-many relationship like this, we need two things. We need a junction object, and then we need two master detail relationships. And so I'll make a junction object in the middle of these two, and we'll just call it enrollment. Oh, let me do that with the vowel sound. And then when you have a master detail relationship, you always start with the child object. So we're going to put that in enrollment. And then we'll just call this master detail to class, and we'll relate that to the class object we just made. And then last thing we'll do is create one more master detail relationship, but relate that to student. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. That's how to make a many-to-many relationship using a junction object and two master detail relationships.